Europass, opening doors to work and training in Europe. Welcome to the video tutorials channel of Europass Spain. In this video tutorial, we are going to show you how to use the tool to create a Europass curriculum. The Europass curriculum is a standard curriculum that is recognized throughout Europe. The best way to access the application is to enter the Europass Spain website. First of all, therefore, enter www.cepie.es, and once you have entered, click on Initiatives, then on Europass, and once you are in the Europass page, go to the Documents of Interest menu and click on European Documents and then on Europass Curriculum Vitae. In the curriculum page there is a section, How to fill in my Europass Curriculum Vitae. To start, click on the first option, Fill in my Europass Curriculum Vitae now, and the curriculum application will open. If you observe the application, you can see that there are three sections. A panel at the left where you may select the language in which you wish to view the curriculum interface, a menu with options for browsing, setup and deletion, and a contact for reporting any problems or doubts you may have. This panel will allow you to configure your curriculum and to navigate through the different sections it contains. The next section is the interface we use to fill in the curriculum. It is very simple. All you have to do is fill in each section in your preferred language, clicking on the button Fill in, or Add Document, or Add Field, as the case may be. In each section, it is possible to annex documents which will then appear at the end of the curriculum. The third section allows you to carry out complementary actions such as to import a Europass curriculum that you created previously and to modify it as you see fit. You can also add a photo and other complements. And what's best is that you can share it with the Euros employment portal or export it in whatever format you prefer in order to be able to reuse it on any other occasion or send it to the company or organization of your choice. Let's have a look at an example of a curriculum that we have already created. We're going to import it, so we click on Import. We locate wherever we are going to import it from, for example, in this case, from my PC, and now we are going to modify some detail or other. For example, let's add another language. We go to the Other Languages section, click on Add Field, and we insert the levels that we believe we have in this language. Then we are going to add the certificate. To do so, we locate ourselves on top of the line of that language. It becomes shaded and a few icons appear. We click on the clip and we follow the instructions to add the file. That's all it takes. If we now go to the section Language Passport on the left, we will see it there now, and if we click on the European Skills Passport, we will see that the attached file now appears. That's because the three documents are combined. Once we have prepared the curriculum, we can write our letter of motivation by clicking on the cover letter element in the menu on the left. As you can see, the structure is already there. You can fill it in the language of your choice and you can then export it all. Let's see how to export. You click on Download, you mark everything you want to download. Next, you select the format. The best option is the default option that produces a PDF, given that you can then import and modify it. Then next, you choose where you want to save it and you click on Download. Everything is ready and you can now use it as and where you choose. For example, you can register in Euros with this curriculum without having to add all this data again. You are now ready to apply for jobs in any country in Europe.